Hello. We're just gonna do a little seated meditation. Very likely can't see me very well. I'm trying to open my awareness onto an aspect of listening. So an aspect of listening might be connecting, or patience, or receiving, inviting, empathizing. So I'm trying to open my awareness onto some aspect of listening. And if I'm able to do that, I'll consider another aspect and see if I can't open my awareness onto that aspect. For me, the moon hanging there as she does in the sky is a reliable totem for the idea of listening. She has no light of her own to speak. She receives and reflects. And so too I. Select an aspect of listening. Try and open myself to that. So we'll meditate together. Move the camera a little bit. Well, maybe we won't have much luck. It'll just be how it is. Just see how that works. So, to me, that feels like opening like veranda doors, and big doors suggest a big room if you have the French doors, If you're in a house and you haven't explored it all, you come to a door and you fling it open. And there's a whole other room that's part of the same house. Similarly, you may have this house called listening, but haven't yet found that door that opens onto patience or connecting or empathizing or receiving or what have you. So when I identify one, I see if I can open myself onto that. experiencing my awareness expand into larger territory, all under the title of listening. This can be a brief meditation where we're just kind of tuning into one aspect, and then suffice it, and you're done. We could also take this meditation and fling open the doors into one new aspect of listening, and come to settle on another, and see if we can find the door to that and open that, thus expanding the realm of the house called listening. So with me, settling into the seatedness, settling into an aspect of listening that you can name to yourself, such as patience, connecting, empathizing, receiving. We look for the doors in our own practice, in our own heart, in our own listening. We look for the doors that open onto that. Extended breadth of listening within ourselves. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Until we broaden our complete understanding of listening, our complete aptitude for listening, until we've come to understand and feel into a greater state of listening, so that when we begin to listen, it's a many-roomed house for us. So, thank you very much. I'm smiling, but it's probably dark.